Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to send money to a contact using Bizum. Super easy and updated for 2025. Let's jump in. Step 1. Open your mobile banking app. First, unlock your phone and launch your bank's mobile app. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and you're logged into your account. Step 2. Find the Bizum section. Once you're in the app, look for the Bizum feature. It's usually under sections like transfers, send money, or payments. Tap on it to continue. Step 3. Tap on send money. Next, select the option that says send money, enviar dinero, or something similar. This is where you can transfer funds. Step 4. Enter your recipient's phone number. Type in the phone number of the person you want to send money to, or choose them directly from your contacts list. Make sure it's the number they have linked to their Bizum account. Step 5. Input the amount and a message. Enter the amount you'd like to send, for example, 20 euro, and add a short description like dinner, gift, or shared groceries. That way they know what it's for. Step 6. Confirm the transaction. Double-check all the details, especially the phone number and amount. Then tap Send or Confirm. Your recipient will receive the money instantly. Pro tip: Bizum transfers are instant and commission-free within participating banks, so you can send money quickly without extra fees. And that's it. You've successfully sent money with Bizum in 2025. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more easy banking guides. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.